English version mathematics class 5 chapter 8 length measurement number C. There were 75 centiliter of mustard oil in a bottle. Shanta's mother used 170 milliliter oil from while cooking. So how many liter oil of in left? Here centiliter, milliliter and liter. The math need to answer in liter, so we convert all of them in liter. Okay, then we know that 1 centiliter equal to 10 milliliter and 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. Then in a shell 75 centiliter, then 75 into 10, that means 750 milliliter. Used 170 milliliter, then left 750 minus 170 equal to 580 milliliter. Left 580 divided by 1000 equal to 0.58 liter. Answer 0.58 liter.